By reforming the electoral law, we removed all the old loopholes which they used to use to rig elections. Therefore, I call upon everybody to respect what the people have decided, whichever way they decide after the counting, because we're about to count. So everybody should respect the will of the people.
Basically, we also have seen how Museveni has been changing. He came in as a transitional leader for 4 years. After that, he extended himself in power for another 5 years. After that, then the constitution was made.